Create animated talking picture with HEDRA, a free program to read type speech while animating your chosen picture. Before using HEDRA, we need to compose the text to be spoken and the picture to be animated. Up in the search bar, type hedra.com and press Enter. To begin, press on Sign In. But before you sign in, you need to sign up. Enter a real email address and an 8-digit password with upper and lowercase letters, plus a number and a special character. After signing up, you will receive a code number to verify your email address. Sign in with your email address and password, then press Sign in with email. All my videos are full HD 1080p, best viewed on a large computer screen, not on a smartphone. Click on Upgrade. By default you get the basic free version with a watermark and a short recording time. But you can pay to remove the watermark, also to have a longer recording time and extra features. Click on Create. Left panel is where you enter your text to be spoken. You can type your text here, but I chose to paste mine in. Choose a voice.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
Most voices are various American and English, males or females.
We make our own fortunes and we call them fate.
There are no Australian voices.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
I like the sound of Brian, so I clicked on his name. It was now time to drag the picture into the centre column. No need to click on anything in the centre column. I clicked on Generate Video. Generate Video section has been sped up to keep the video short. I pressed on the button to play the video.
Howdy folks, how are y'all? I visited my 2 cousins in Arkansas. After a month of making moonshine or eating pecan pie washed down with sweet tea and speaking with them about kin, some folks say I now sound like a Yank. They haven't been down yonder but are fixing to visit me sometime.
I also pressed on Download to play the video later. If this video was helpful, look in comments below for links to more great Linux Mint 1080 tutorials.
Howdy folks, how are y'all? I visited my 2 cousins in Arkansas. After a month of making moonshine or eating pecan pie washed down with sweet tea and speaking with them about kin, some folks say I now sound like a Yank. They haven't been down yonder but are fixing to visit me sometime.
If you enjoyed this video, so may your friends. And subscribe to my YouTube channel to be advised when I upload more Linux tutorials.